but you can't see he's as sneaky as a buzzing bee. No paws, no tail, no eyes, no nose, but he steals my socks and hides my clothes. At breakfast time, he drinks my milk, then disappears, smooth as silk. He draws on walls and blames the cat, then giggles loud. Imagine that. He flies on spoons and surfs on soap, swings from laps, then plays jump rope. My mom says stop, but he just runs, laughing loud and having fun. He wears a hat made out of cheese, sings opera when I try to sneeze. He juggles peas and taps his feet, then whispers jokes, super sweet. No one believes he's real but me. He hides inside the old TV. So if your toy goes missing too, maybe he's now